Nagtataka ako, bakit kailangan mo mag-solo?
Yeah, I'd like to share that in English. No, you're not gonna shut me up. Iya.
Oh. Pumasok ako, i-stop ko, bakit kailangan mo mag-solo? Eh, pwede naman tayong tatlo magsama-sama. Kasi gusto mo magmayabang. Gusto mo magmayabang kasi mayabang ka. Gusto mo ikaw lang. Ikaw lang na napapansin. Gusto mo nandito lang kami, ikaw nasa taas. Mayabang ka, laki ng ulo mo. Parang hula na ng tornilyo, Frankenstein ka na.
Yeah, you can say whatever the hell you like, but I don't really care. I asked you earlier, Iya, am I gonna say? You said yes. Nene Marco. You said yes. And now you're angry because I did that part alone?
Parating na si Lola, yung pasalubong ko.
Ano problema mo?
Kasi pwede mo kami tawagin para tulungan ka.
O sana pumasok ka na lang, hindi mo nang kumanta ka na lang sana!
Uy, don't shout at me! Yeah, sure.
Don't shout at me! Don't shout in me! Don't shout on me! Choose the right answer. A, B, or C. Ting, ting, ting. No coaching. Grand finals na to. Yes.
Oh. What's your answer?
Oh. I know my answer.
Don't shout at me.
Okay. Whatever.
Do you think I cannot speak English fluently? Are you trying to insinuate something?
No, yeah, it's not that. I mean, these people are not stupid. These are all educated people.
Yes, I know.
So precisely, they know what the message I'm trying to send them.
Hey!
Nakakainis ka na.
Tapos ako sa pag-aaral, kaya huwag ka masyadong maano.
Screw you. I'm sorry for the French language. I just couldn't help it because of this.
Shut up, you pea-brain.
Why you call me a pea-brain? Huh? You imbecile. Is that all?
Another pea-brain.
You dimwit.
You victim.
Ano victim?
Allah, di nakikinig. Tipwe, ano?
Ano?
Bye! Okay, nag-aaral ako. Tapos ako sa mag-aaral.
Saan ka nag-aaral?
Sa school, tama
I will be proud to nag-MU ka kasi matatalino sa estudyante dito.
Lahat ng kamag-anak ko, alam na ng karamihan na lahat ng kamag-anak ko dito nag-aaral.
Oh, I don't really care. Ikaw na ako, saan ka nag-aaral?
Catholic school, okay na.
Anong Catholic school? I know a lot of Catholic schools.
Saint I, yeah.
Saint Ignatius?
STI, pinaghiwalay ko lang. Alam mo sa anong kalaban nun?
Anong kalaban ng Saint I mo?
7-Eleven. Kung saan tumayo ang STI, may 7-Eleven. Ang ama, burger machine. Ayan yan. Tapos accountancy ako before.
I'm not gonna believe you. Third year high school, hindi mo nga natapos din yan.
Hindi totoo. Hala?
Girl, see this? Kiss this, girl.
Ano sabi mo? Kiss. Oh, tagal na kitang trip eh. I love you, babe. Okay, tapos ako ng accountancy.
Anong course mo?
Accountancy dati.
Okay, how will you convince me that you graduated?
Ano, ako pa, siyempre accounting subject na doon.
It's okay, alam mo iyak, hindi ka nakapag-aral. These people are gonna love you the same.
First year ka, basic accounting.
Second year,
partnership and corporation.
Third year,
finance.
Fourth year,
taxation. What?
How come you know?
Google lang yun. Sabi ko sa'yo, tapos ka agad dun. Masyado kang mayabang kanina ka pa. Ano?
Iya, watch it my heel.
Hindi ako tawad sa'yo, at matangkad ka, ha? At mukha kang kapitan.
Di ba sinabi ko sa'yo? Look at you! Pagkabulit tayo na kami, mapagalitan tayo. Go back to your room. Don't talk to your father like that.
Dad, kay mami yan, ha?
Oo nga, pero preso sa likod na lang kung basketball. Yeah, that's embarrassing. No, you're not gonna do that.
Hindi ako naano sa'yo. Nag-headband ka pa, yung wala ka namang bangs. Ano pangalan mo?
Divine Cat.
Dapat Andy.
Paano yung Andy pangalan mo?
Andito na yung buhok. Ano? yun ang gusto ko. Tumatay ka na.
Iya, please.
Ay,
I am warning you. One more time you lay a finger on me, mananagot ka sa akin. I've been keeping up with your pang-aape for so long and I'm not gonna let you hurt me. Guys, I'm really sorry. I'm a bit emotional this afternoon. It's just that we've been friends for so many years.
sorry, please.
And then this is how you're hitting me. Pinapahinga mo ko sa mga...
Sino ka ba?
Iya, ang hirap ng ginagawa mo. Look, it's like this. I remember what my mom told me. Christina, a lot of people are gonna say a lot of bad things to you. A lot of them will hurt you. You just have to forgive. And sabi ko, Mom, salamat po.
Kasi na ka umiyak. Ayun.
Tingin ko lang.
Bakit?
Nakatapat yung aircon sa likod ko.
Please, sorry. Sorry.
Look, okay, you said sorry. I will accept that. Papatawarin lang kita. But it's just gonna be so hard for me para kalimutan yung ginawa.
Mukhang, bakit?
Pilang mo.
Mukhang malungkot ka talaga. Tapos, may naalala ka pa sa ginawa kong sinasaktan kita?
I don't really want to
Si
talk
James
about it.
ba?
Ayan na naman.
Si James.
Can we just not talk about that? Like James and I, we had this chance na mag-usap po kami.
Ganon ka nang ganon.
And I told him, sabi ko, James, I'm really sorry for everything I've done sa lahat ng ginawa.
May nakatapat pang electric pan sa bibig ko.
The other night, I was crying. Hindi ko na namalayan. I left the door of my room open. So,
Ano nga?
my baby boy,
Si
he
Ano?
went inside. Sabi niya, Mama, you're crying na.
Si Kims
Sabi
ba
ko,
to?
Si Kims, yeah. Mama, it's okay na.
Oh.
Mama's fine. Sabi niya, Mama, why are you crying? Mama will be fine. Sabi niya, Mama, can I ask you something?
Ano?
Sabi niya, Mama, kambing ka ba?
Ano sabi mo? Ay, kumusta yung mga bata?
The kids are okay. I just love to give them the best. Needle for them. Like, ang baba ng carbohydrates, mababang sugar. Super love talaga.
Si Bims.
They, both of them, they get to drink Needle 45 natin.
All of them.
Si Darla din, paborito.
Ano madalas sila kain ni Darla?
We went to this party, sabi ko, Darla, you're eating already. Wala pa yung trigger. Ano kinakain?
Ano kinakain?
Chinelas.
Wala pa ka naman, Chris, sa kilo.
Kaya maraming salamat po. Napakayaman po.
Chris, sa kilo.
Diba?
Pero yung buhok, noy-noy. Ay, may kamukha ka ba?
Mga taga-FEU.
Parang kilala kita.
Sino?
Dati kang mayor, no?
Huh?
Paranaque? Ala, Joey Marquez.
Lingon agad! Pag may lalaki,
Mas may kaboses na mag-isa, di ba?
Yeah, it's so nice. Every time I come to a place like this, it reminds me so much of my lovey.
At
Just every time I get to sing for him, it makes me feel so good. But it's just that he's not here anymore. But I miss him so much. I'd like to sing this one for you. I know you're listening. I know you're here. Please, you never let me down. Sweetest taste of thought just about you. I love you, Joffrey. I love you, Joffrey. I love you, Joffrey.
Sino si Dolby ako?
I love you, Joffrey.
I love you, Shasha.
I love you, Joffrey.
I love you, Shasha.
Ang galing! Dito lang yan sa labas.
Shasha, that is Shasha. In fairness sa'yo, ah.
Diba? At least ako, ang dami ko nagagaya boses. Ikaw, ano na yung offer mo? Wala. Yung boses mong galing sa buhay.
Hoy, ang dami ko kayong pera.
Oh, diba?
Bayad ka ba yun ako araw-araw? Boses ko yung ginagamit ko.
Yeah, that's impossible.
Yung Candy Crush ako yun, yung sweet. Very sweet. Delicious. Super gosh. Ano ba yung zombie tsunami?
Okay na yung Candy Crush. You'll never do zombie tsunami.
Ako din yun.
Paano kaya pag si Chris nag-zombie siya natin?
May isang kilo nag-zombie siya namin.
Oo.
Si Shasha, nag-zombie siya namin.
Joffrey. Joffrey.
Ayan, masyado. Ano ba naman si Maizeta?
Sige, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much.
Tawagin natin yung friend natin.
But before we call our friend, we'd like to thank, of course, our sponsors one more time. NASDAQ, of course. No.
Nasda.
Because you guys are just sitting there.
Eh, charot lang.
Alam mo, if you do that, I told you you behave. Di ba sinabi ko sa sama ni Mama, pero dapat behave ka. Josh.
Sino yan?
Si Josh. Di ba
Okay, ganito.
Okay, it's right here, of course. Thank you so much, NASDAQ, Globe Telecom, Guro Technica. Maraming salamat. Palakpakan niyo naman our sponsors out here.
Dapat parang hosting talaga. Dapat parang natin itong friend natin. At sa spotlight lang po dito, gano'n.